Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Expert, your ultimate source for car reviews and insights. Today, we are talking about a compact SUV that brings French flair, practicality, and comfort to the Indian market, the Citroën C3 Aircross. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Citroën C3 Aircross a unique choice for Indian families and SUV lovers. Body. Exterior design. The Citroën C3 Aircross combines bold design with functional elements, making it stand out in the crowded compact SUV segment. At the front, the C3 Aircross features Citroën's signature double chevron grille, flanked by sleek split LED headlamps that give it a modern and distinctive look. The side profile showcases sporty 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, bold cladding, and contrasting roof options, adding a touch of vibrancy and style. Roof rails and a raised ground clearance enhance its SUV appeal, while the chunky bumper design adds a rugged edge. At the rear, LED tail lamps, a sculpted tailgate, and a silver skid plate complete its unique and dynamic look. With its stylish and rugged design, the Citroën C3 Aircross is perfect for those who want to make a statement on the road. Safety and build quality. Safety is a priority for the C3 Aircross, with features designed to protect passengers and enhance confidence on the road. Standard safety features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, hill start assist, and rear parking sensors. Higher trims come with additional features like electronic stability control, escape, reverse parking camera, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. The high-strength steel body structure ensures durability and crash safety, meeting global safety standards. With its robust safety features, the C3 Aircross ensures peace of mind for families and adventurers alike. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Citroën C3 Aircross? With its stylish design, spacious interiors, impressive comfort, and versatile performance, this compact SUV is a strong contender for Indian roads. Whether you're a city driver or an adventure seeker, the C3 Aircross has something for everyone. Let us know in the comments if the Citroën C3 Aircross is the SUV for you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.